Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. If you're in India and wondering how to dip your toes into Bitcoin without the wild ride of direct trading, investing in the iShares Bitcoin Trust, IBIT, could be your golden ticket. I'm excited to walk you through this step by step, so let's get started. First off, what exactly is iShares Bitcoin Trust? It's an exchange-traded fund, ETF, launched by BlackRock that tracks the price of Bitcoin. This means you can invest in Bitcoin's performance through a more regulated and straightforward vehicle, without actually owning the cryptocurrency yourself. For Indians, this is appealing because it simplifies things compared to crypto exchanges, but remember, it's still subject to market volatility and regulatory hurdles. Now, let's talk about how to invest from India. Step 1. Ensure you meet the eligibility criteria. You'll need a brokerage account that allows international investments. Platforms like Interactive Brokers, Zeroda's Kite, with international access, or even some global apps like eToro might work, but double-check for IBIT specifically. Step 2. Complete your KYC process. As an Indian investor, you'll have to verify your identity through Aadhaar and PAN card to comply with SEBI and RBI regulations. This is crucial to avoid any legal issues. Step 3. Fund your account. You can transfer money from your Indian bank account, but be aware of currency conversion fees and potential taxes. Once funded, search for IBIT on your brokerage platform and place your buy order. Keep an eye on the exchange rate and transaction costs to maximize your returns. Before you jump in, let's cover the risks. Bitcoin is highly volatile, and while IBIT offers a safer entry point, it's still influenced by global crypto market swings. In India, there might be additional taxes like TDS on foreign remittances, so consult a financial advisor to understand the tax implications and ensure this fits your investment strategy. In summary, investing in iShares Bitcoin Trust from India is doable with the right preparation, but always prioritize education and caution. If this video helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Happy investing, and remember, the crypto world waits for no one.